How to replace a lost or stolen debit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Help Tech. In this video, I will show you how you can replace a lost or stolen debit card on the Bank of America app. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, first of all, launch the Bank of America application, which is your mobile banking, and then sign into your account. Tap on the menu icon from the top left hand side of the screen, and then here you have to choose the option that says manage debit or credit card. Once you do so, you have to just go to the accounts dashboard and then select the debit card over here. Just swipe through it and then just click on the button that says replace. Now, on the request authorization code screen, provide a reference to receive a text message or a phone call. Then just click on the button that says send code from the bottom. Then enter the authorization code that you received. Then again, just tap on the continue option from the bottom right. On the reason screen, please select the reason for the replacement request, such as was it damaged, was it stolen, or was it lost, whatever the reason may be. Just select any of the reasons over here. And on the confirm transaction screen, click on all appropriate yet no or yes button at the bottom of the screen. Then after that, on the review screen, review the details for your replacement card. A continue button may appear for digital card for debit eligible customers, so just tap on the continue button. If you are eligible for a digital card for debit, click the go digital on the bottom of the screen to proceed. And to help you decide, at any time you can go to the digital button on the bottom of the screen to proceed as well. Then review the important disclosure screen and then just click on continue. Your digital card for debit will be created and then should be ready for use immediately. Your new plastic debit card should arrive in a white envelope with the Bank of America logo within 4 to 6 business days. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then actually replace your debit card on the Bank of America app. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.